So this video, we will look at how do we actually graph a function using Desmos, and then also how to find some values from that. So first thing you do is start up Desmos, desmos.com, and go into the graphing calculator. Then here, instead of using f of x equals minus 2x plus 6, let's say we want to do that one. We're going to do y equals minus 2x plus 6. So you just type that in using your keyboard. And there's what the graph looks like. So you can see you can now get a nice graph from it. If you want to change the window of this, you can do that with this little graph settings here. And here you can change where you want the x-axis to go between, minus 10 to 10. Change what the y-axis you want to go between. Let's do minus 10 to 10 also. Minus 10 to 10 is usually a pretty nice window to work with. But you can change this to any size you want. And there's your graph, and that's what it looks like. You can also turn on your minor grid lines, turn them off, things like that. So there's different options you can do to do, and then you just click on the little wrench to get rid of that. So here's your graph, but if you also want to see a table of values, we can come over here, just click anywhere over here. You've got your y equals in the first one, you can click here, and then this little plus thing says to add an item, and we're going to add a table. Now the table is going to use x1 and y1, but if we notice up here our y equals, this is y equals minus 2x plus 6. So we can actually put a x1 by just typing a 1, it'll put a subscript. And then we can do a y1, same thing, to put a 1 next to the y and it'll do a subscript. Now, the thing is I've found is that Desmos seems to have a little bit of a bug. So I'm going to actually make this one not be x1, I'm just call it x. I'm going to call that one y1 though. And now you can type in x values. So you can type in 1, you can see you're going to get y equals 4. Type in 2, get y equals 2. 3, y equals 0. 4, y equals negative 2. And you're going to notice now those values are showing up over here. We can also have done 0. And you can see those values actually show up for you right there in your graph. So that's how we can use Desmos to graph something and then actually look at those points.